So first we're going to take off the stock case mount on the right hand side, and it's going to be the same procedure on the opposite. So let's get started. You're going to need a T40, and you're going to be taking these 3 bolts out. That's what they look like. Set them aside and repeat for the rest. The second part, you're going to be removing the passenger peg, the rear bolt, and then the front bolt, and then have it drop down like this, because the pannier, the actual mount, is going to go right there, and you're going to use the stock bolt, and you're going to bolt that right back up. It's going to be the same for the other side, but those points that I mentioned, the one by the foot peg, this one right here, this one right here, you're going to take your pannier mount or your rack, line it up, and then screw in the bolts. Hand tight it first, because we're going to be doing the other side and then doing the cross brace. This is how it should look like with the right side mounted. Now just repeat on the opposite side. Afterwards, we'll be mounting the cross brace. The last part is actually simple and straightforward. Once you've mounted the left side rack and then the right, the crossbar is going to bolt down onto the 2 holes, one on each side. And after that, all you need to do is mount your panniers. Alright, last but not least, we're going to mount them, and it's the same procedure on both sides. Take these pucks on the bottom, line them up with the rack, push down. You want to lift open the case, and here's the actual mechanism right here. So you want to back off the nylon nut on each side so that these can move freely. Make sure they fit in one of the notches. And then twist down, lock that. And that's it. That's all you have to do. These are not going to go anywhere. Now that's pretty much it. The bags are going to be secure, so because we've already tightened these down, we've already put the nylon lock nuts down, and these are going to stay put. All you have to do, close lid, latch it, lock it, you're set. Thanks for watching, guys.